it's week 2. The guys are out in the pole circle. They're ready to go. They're fired up. But what the instructors are doing right now is they're taking it really slow. We're working on technique. These guys are already ready to go to the top. But we're trying to slow them down, make sure their first steps are correct before we go any further. You know, if their steps and their technique's not right at 5, it's not going to be at 15. So we've got to slow them down and really concentrate on technique right now.
Think about that, right? Let's perfect that 5 foot and y'all be comfortable going to 15. Start slow when you get on the pole today. I'm gonna give y'all like 5 minutes. Get your stuff loose, get your body ready, and then a few steps up and down, and then we're gonna start getting into it. All right? All right, let's go. There you go, right there. Yes, sir. Take that clip up as you need. There you go, right there. Now take some off again. There you go. Left. Right. Left.
Okay. If we're going to the right, we're going to be a right working position. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to power up with this left leg here. When I say power up, that means standing up with it. Okay? What y'all don't like to do. We're going to power up, drop in, shift. Move our left leg. Power up, drop, shift. Power up, drop, shift. Okay?
Right now we're going to learn how to transition over an obstacle, right? This is what our safety is going to be for. Where does the safety go all the time?
Above.
Above. Going up goes above. What about going down?
Above.
Above. Always above. That's the only way it's going to catch you guys. Cross arm is my obstacle, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to come up to my obstacle. I'm going to tighten my stuff up. I'm going to step up in my belt. I'm going to take my safety. I'm going to pass it around the obstacle, right? Boom. Now I'm secured up here. Pass the belt, squeeze around. Pick it back up. Get it tight. Come off of this. Now I have transferred over, right? We're gonna do it on a rope.
Have no running switch your butt squeeze. Take your step up and slide your secondary up. That's going to give us a window right here to pop that on the pole. Yep. Nice. Alright, pull our slack out. Wait.
Get after it.